Welcome to the final debrief. Over the last 5 modules, we took Outer Heaven from fragmented data to a system that can actually be operated. We took raw intel, sanitized it, structured it into a live ontology, and built a command center. We connected an AI and executed real-time actions. But the software will change. UIs will update. Buttons will move. So what makes a forward deployed engineer valuable isn't memorizing clicks. It's the mindset. Principle number 1. Assume that all data is hostile. Most engineers trust their raw data, and FDE assumes it is actively trying to break the system. If you don't build automated governance at the front door, you get bad data in and catastrophic decisions out. Trust, but verify. Principle number 2. Graphs over tables. Flat tables hide the truth. Relational graphs force it into the open. If we kept our data in a master spreadsheet, our mole would have stayed hidden. By connecting real-world entities, the anomaly visualizes itself. Principle number 3. Dashboards are dead weight. This is the biggest mistake in the industry. If you build a beautiful chart that highlights a problem, but the user has to send an email to fix it, you failed. So if insight doesn't lead to action instantly, it's useless. So make sure you always close the operational loop efficiently and effectively. Principle number 4. Empower the human. We didn't build a chatbot to replace our commander. We built an agentic AI, handed it a strict query tool, and compressed analysis time from hours to seconds. So AI accelerates the logic, but humans own the decision. Principle number 5. Speed to value. Don't overbuild. Don't write 1,000 lines of custom code if a low-code tool gets you an MVP in an hour. Ship value fast. Prove it works, and then iterate. Paranoia at the data layer. Relational thinking at the ontology layer. Speed and execution at the application layer. Apply this and you're not just analyzing data, you're deploying systems. So this was Foundry Ops, Outer Heaven. And if you're planning on building in Foundry, or if you're already in it, you're new to it, trying to operationalize data, reach out directly to me. So from this point on, the mission is yours.